let's make first the chimichurri. So we have our skirt steak here, and the skirt steak is a very flavorful steak. It's also less expensive than if you went and bought like a filet mignon or a ribeye or a New York strip. The key to skirt steak is marinating it with something really impactful, like we're gonna do today, our green chimichurri, but then also grilling it to the right temperature. You don't want to overcook it, and then cutting it against the grain so it's nice and tender when you're eating it. All right, let's start with our chimichurri. So we're gonna put a whole bunch of herbs in here. Traditionally, in Argentina, it's mostly parsley, sometimes a little oregano. So we're gonna take some flat leaf Italian parsley, and then some fresh oregano. And I'm gonna add some fresh mint. This is great on a hot summer day. We have our herbs and we need garlic. I mean, garlic is the sort of #1 key element in Argentinian cooking is this right here, fresh garlic. Okay, so we're gonna take some fresh garlic and then some crushed red peppers, a little bit of heat, some salt and pepper. Ooh, I can smell that mint. It's really nice. Some red wine vinegar. And I'm gonna pour some, just a little bit of canola oil. Make sure the garlic gets really nicely crushed up. Okay. I'm gonna pour this chimichurri. Now you can serve this as a sauce on the side, but see, I made it just a little bit looser because I'm using this as a marinade. Make sure that it really gets covered in this chimichurri. We're gonna let this sit for at least a few hours. So let's go over to our Argentinian parrilla, our grill, and we're just gonna put the skirt steak right on the grill. Amazing. Want all this marinade to really cook in there. If you watch people in Argentina grill, there's always all kinds of different things on the grill. Usually it's like 2 or 3 cuts of beef, potatoes, some chorizo, all kinds of different things like happening on the grill. I love that. All right. Should be cooked enough. It has a really beautiful crust on the outside. We're just gonna plate our steak up here. This is our skirt steak. So the grain is running this way, so we're gonna cut it this way. A little bit on the bias. Marinate it a little bit. Grill it to like medium rare, medium the most, and then let it rest. Beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna put our steak right on here. And then we have our gorgeous red chimichurri. Now you can serve it on the side like in this mortar and pestle, or you can just kind of put it right on top of the steak or next to the steak. This is our red chimichurri. It's really nice. I'm gonna just sort of steal a taste. So much flavor. Really moist, tender.